This workshop, held in over 30 countries around the world, has helped transform thousands of relationships.
I think the workshop really gave us a really useful framework to use when we needed to approach difficult conversations in our relationship.
It gave us a tool to communicate better and really get to the bottom of issues that we have and do so in a safe and comfortable environment.
This workshop benefits couples in all stages of relationship, from those wanting to enhance an already positive connection, to those in high levels of crisis, to those who have separated and are looking to give it one more try.
Murray and I have been together for 30 years. We were probably at crisis point, to be honest with you. It was a matter of, do we stay with each other or do we separate? We were recommended to come and really glad that we did.
You have got the space to talk privately just for the issues that you want to keep between the two of you, but you also have a space to share information and ideas in front of other couples, and I actually found that quite rewarding.
This workshop has been compared to 3 to 6 months worth of couples therapy, and it helps couples align their goals so the work they do within therapy is more accelerated. The format is primarily educational. We combine a mixture of lectures, written exercises, and demonstrations, and you will be given the opportunity to work privately with your partner.
The presenters put us at ease by running through everything thoroughly, by doing role play so that when you went away to talk to each other, you had a really great understanding of what you were meant to be doing.
I think if a couple were hesitating, I'd really encourage them to go along, knowing that they'll learn some really useful skills along the way.
I've even talked to my parents about it. I think you can never have enough time of reflecting and addressing things in your relationship.
This workshop will give you powerful tools for connection. You and your partner will gain greater insight into how you each contribute to the dynamics of your relationship and learn practical tools for connection.
Do it.
I think everybody should do it. Just stopping, going back to basics, realising why you got together, and having that opportunity to do something like this is well worth it. I would recommend it to everybody.